Hi everyone! Want to create a sleek, engaging website without touching a single line of code? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to build a website using the Gamma AI. Fast, simple, and beautiful. So let's get started. First, go to the Gamma app and click New and choose Website as your format or the web page. Then here, click the Generate with AI and enter your prompt. Like for this example prompt here, then Gamma will instantly draft a full multi-section site. You can customize your content design in Gamma AI. You can edit text, replace images, add layouts, and drag and drops blocks easily. Add your own colors and logo for brand consistency. And here you can use embed blogs to add your YouTube videos, forms, or calendars. Then the Gamma supports interactive elements right in your page. Just click Share and choose between web link. You can export to PDF and embed it into your blog or Notion. It's a mobile friendly and looks great on any screen. And in minutes, you've built a stunning and professional website. No coding, no stress. Give it a try and see how the web design can be. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI powered tips. Thanks for watching.